so rough and long. That distant road we journey on. This endless road, so hard and wide, we walk it still side by side. Though sometimes grief may cloud our eyes, and we must fight through pain inside. There will be days of joy again, when we will smile without the pain. For this long road is yours and mine, the path we share through space and time, the road that all of us must find. When I think of you, I hide a quiet smile. I hold your thoughts within my heart all the while. Though we may stand so far apart, we walk together in the dark. So many miles we've walked before, and still we carry hope once more. Those weary days we can't forget, the weight we bore, the tears we've mined, holding down the aching chest. We endured and gave our best. You and I and all of us will find our happiness. This endless road will lead us on to victory and rest. For this long road is yours and mine, the road our hearts are traveling on. I will love you for all of my life, all the days we have walked side by side, like a lantern of memories bright. They pass before my eyes tonight. All the hardships we leave behind, standing here in this moment in time.
There's a name I wanna call tonight. Suddenly it's on my mind. A name that lingers on my lips, soft as wine. We used to share a love so
close it up, thinking that the space was mine. I stayed there for a little time. Then a splash came pouring down, pushed the quiet air around. Empty places call my name, then they push me out again. Air that drifted far away, what was on your mind today? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Did you lose your everything, living like a wandering thing? Round and round the spinning chair, I wish I could be sitting there. If I sat there just one day, how would life just drift away? Round and round the chair would spin, maybe I would laugh again. Maybe someday time will bring little joys and simple things. For a moment I just stand, stopping where I used to run, looking back the road I'd known. Then I walk the road alone, looking back the road I've known. Then I walk the road have thrown body in time that fly, throw my time that fly, leave and descend my life, dum dum dum, like falling leaves, sag boundlessly, we were just tired.